Yeah. We are Team 2, Section 5, and this is Brain Rehab.
When a person has a stroke, it is common for their family members to be left confused and unsure of how to assist during their first few weeks of recovery. Imagine an app that transforms aftercare for stroke patients and caretakers by directly connecting them to a team of healthcare professionals. By connecting caretakers and patients to their personalized team, our app, Brain Rehab, alleviates confusion and helps facilitate open and direct communication between users. We are calling on all medical personnel to join our app and help build our content so that stroke patients and caretakers have the information they need.
We had 3 rounds of interviews for this project. From our initial set of interviews months back, we learned the basic outline of what our app should include to be able to perform to the basic needs of our users. Our second and third round of interviews assisted us in nailing down readability and usability. This led to new insights like a speed dial for faster service calls, the ability to connect to outside calendar sources, and separate caretaker and patient interfaces.
Our prototypes are based on user feedback. The feedback came from user testing and conducting Google surveys on stakeholders. Some of the feedback ranged from changing the font, size of the font, changing the interface, changing colors on certain pages, to even rating some of the prototype features, such as the login features, the calendar, and the FAQ page.
Through interviews and feedbacks, we gained plenty insights regarding on what we need to improve on for our project. The responses we received were mainly for the improvement of our app's interface and layout to make it easier for our users to navigate through. We specifically designed our project to the best of our abilities with the best accessibility for users, especially because most of which are stroke patients.
During the develop phase of the design process, we created a mind map based off 4 keywords from our opportunity statement. We then refined and renamed those keywords to eventually arrive to the 4 words: assistance, training, emotional services, mental health stability. From these words, we brainstormed possible solutions that further inspired features on the app, such as the calendar and message features.
In the next slides, you will see the rough draft and final drafts of each of the pages. The arrows indicate what we started and finished with.
This is the login page from the Brain Rehab app. It plays a critical role in the user experience. Not only does it provide security, but also privacy for the user. Also, the feature on the right of the screen displays the role of the option, which allows the user to select their role and be able to get their assistance and support that they need when using the app.
The fact page and setting page have transformed from replicating similar content from most FAQ and setting pages to developing the app's personalized subsystems of the page, and then finally engaging in a customization makeover.
The homepage has accessible links to other features within the app, and the direct messaging page allows users to contact healthcare professionals whenever and wherever.
Users expressed interest in ensuring they could track appointments through multiple views. Originally, we created a basic calendar, and eventually it evolved into a monthly, daily, endless views for our users.
Here are the training video pages where the layout is specifically designed for users to navigate through easily in order to find the videos they need. We also added a comment section for users to provide the community and other users with their feedbacks as well as their ratings on how helpful the videos were for them.
Overall, the Brain Rehab app underwent serious construction throughout the DI process. Each designated system and their subsystems transformed into a user-friendly makeover based on their feedback. However, our group has much more to accomplish if we truly want the app to function smoothly. Our next steps are to begin collaborating with medical stakeholders in order for the app to do its job. For Brain Rehab to be successful, we must join forces with the medical professionals who are willing to be sources of contact and vital information. Will you answer our call? Thank you so much for listening, and feel free to ask any questions.